At Watermans Legal, we understand that it is an emotional time following the death of a friend or a relative. We have a very experienced team of solicitors who can assist with winding up an estate on your behalf. We can deal with every aspect of the process from the start to the finish. Winding up an estate in Scotland. Let's suppose a will has been left. A will outline important information such as who the executors and who the beneficiaries are. The executors have an important role in winding up an estate. If you have been named as executor, you can appoint a solicitor to deal with the winding up of an estate on your behalf. An executor is the person who will effectively run the show. They will sign all documents on behalf of the deceased, which will begin the process of winding up an estate. An estate of the deceased is essentially all their assets. So it might be property that they own, cars, shares, monies in the bank, for example. The first thing to do when winding up an estate is to register the will with the books of council in session. After that, you can begin to gather information such as title deeds for the property, financial information such as bank statements. All these things need to be valued together with any liabilities. This is a service that we can provide. Generally, on death, assets of the deceased are frozen. This prevents the executor from gathering funds from a bank account or transacting on a house. In order to unfreeze the assets, confirmation must be applied for. After confirmation has been obtained, the executor can then gather assets such as money from the bank, and then they can try and sell or transfer the house. The executor's role is then to distribute the assets as per the will. In the event that there is no will, matters do become more complex. You will then need to appoint an executor through the court system, and Scots law will dictate how the assets should be distributed.